So I want to go ahead and make a quiz about the Minoan civilization, but I also want to have captions in this YouTube short. I'm going to do this by pasting in the information from my clipboard, generate the quiz. It's going to be done in about 5 seconds. And then we should have our quiz ready with captions. Nice.
Civilization quiz. Test your knowledge of this ancient Bronze Age wonder. Back in time to the island of Crete and uncover the fascinating advancements made by the Minoan people.
Maybe
From
change a bit the brand.
Quiz will challenge your understanding of this enigmatic civilization. When did Minoan civilization flourish?
Okay, and we're ready. We're gonna go ahead and publish this. First, you have to render. Okay, so we want to post this now. Great, so we've been scheduled for an upload. Let's go ahead and check. Great, awesome. So it's scheduled for an upload. It's available immediately, and we can over here see the details. It's exactly what I had scheduled for, and including, yeah, all the way down to the tags. Awesome.